You and I and every person walking this planet's got 40,000 to 60,000 thoughts going through their head every single day. But the fundamental question is, are those thoughts building you up? Are they making you nervous? Are they taking you down? For years, I would start events and I would ask you to turn to your neighbor, look them right in the eyes and say, your head is a scary place to be. And you know what would happen? Everybody would laugh. Why? Because you and I and every person walking this planet's got 40,000 to 60,000 thoughts going through their head every single day. But the fundamental question is, are those thoughts building you up? Are they making you nervous? Are they taking you down? Thoughts are things, no doubt. We all have seen the science. Maybe you read the book by Shad Helmstetter, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. The bottom line is this. Every single day, you've got to make the conscious choice. This is Mindset Monday. You've got to make the conscious choice to build yourself up. To build yourself up, to say things that get you fired up, that get you inspired, that make you more certain about your future. That could be, I attract this, I love this person, what am I grateful for? It doesn't make a difference, but you've got to do something every single day, because you and I both know in sales, we're being squeezed every day, we're getting pushed every day, we're getting rejected every single day. And if we're not building ourselves up every single day, guess what? We start to fall into that dark cloud of doubt. When was the last time you had ambition and joy and happiness when you're just surrounded by that cloud of doubt? We got to get that cloud out of the way. We got to get out of your head. And most importantly, get right back into action. What will you do today and this week to work on this, to get yourself super fired up? Let me know in the comments.